Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best natural soap colorant is probably one of the most versatile and exciting additions you can make to your soap-making arsenal, allowing you to transform ordinary bars into visually stunning works of art that captivate your customers and elevate your brand. Imagine crafting soaps with vibrant, earthy tones or delicate pastels, all derived from nature's own palette, offering a healthier and more eco-conscious alternative to synthetic dyes that can sometimes cause skin irritation or environmental concerns. This guide will delve into the wonderful world of natural colorants, exploring their unique properties, how to best incorporate them into your recipes, and what makes them an indispensable tool for any serious soap maker looking to add that extra special touch to their creations. Number 5. Skin Said Yes Goat Milk Soap Base. Discover the gentle touch of our premium goat milk soap base. It's crafted with care for a naturally soothing experience. Enjoy peace of mind with our formula, free from harsh SLS and SLES, and consciously made without palm oil. Embrace the power of nature with organic, all-natural ingredients. It's a pure choice for your skin. Experience its deeply moisturizing properties that leave your skin feeling soft and cared for. It's wonderfully gentle for everyday use. Unleash your creativity with this perfect base for all your DIY soap projects. Create custom bars that are uniquely yours. Making your own soap has never been easier. Simply melt, pour, and let your imagination guide you. What we like. If you're looking for a soap base that's gentle and nourishing, this is it. It's made with organic goat milk and is free from harsh chemicals like SLS/SLES. For those who prioritize natural, moisturizing ingredients in their DIY projects, this base is an excellent choice. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the bottle. It mixes well into melt and pour soap bases. A little goes a long way, so the bottles will last a while. Number 4. Wayin 20 Colors Bath Bomb Soap Dye. Introducing our 20 Color Bath Bomb Dye Set. These vibrant, liquid-based colorants are food-grade and skin-safe, perfect for all your crafting needs. Craft with confidence knowing our dyes are made with food-grade ingredients. They are completely free from toxins and harsh chemicals, making them baby-friendly and irritation-free. Our updated formula ensures bright, long-lasting colors that stay true in your creations. They disperse easily and won't harden or weep over time. A little goes a long way with our highly concentrated liquid dye. Mix and match shades to create your own unique, rich colors for stunning effects. These vivid colorants are perfect for a wide range of crafts, including soaps, bath bombs, bath salts, slime, Play-Doh, and lotions. We are committed to quality and your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we'll do our best to resolve them for a great shopping experience. What we like. If you want a wide spectrum of bright, long-lasting colors for your crafts, consider this set. Its concentrated liquid formula means a little goes a long way, perfect for creating custom shades and layered effects in bath bombs and soaps. Ideal for those who love to experiment with color. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the pictures. A little goes a long way, so the bottles will last a while. Easy to mix into the soap base and create beautiful swirls. Number 3. Bath Bomb Soap Dye, 36 Colors Liquid Colorant. Unleash your creativity with 36 stunning, vibrant colors. From bold reds to sunny yellows, you'll have every shade imaginable for your projects. Achieve the perfect hue with ease. Our concentrated formula disperses beautifully and offers single-drop control, so a little goes a long way. These dyes are perfect for a wide range of crafts. Use them for bath bombs, soaps, bath salts, lotions, slime, and even Play-Doh. Craft with confidence. Our food-grade, skin-friendly formula is tasteless, odorless, and irritation-free, making it safe for adults and children alike. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, please reach out, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. If you desire an extensive palette for your creative endeavors, this set offers 36 vibrant colors. The highly concentrated formula with single-drop control allows for precise shade matching. It's perfect for anyone who needs a vast array of colors for various DIY projects like bath bombs and soaps. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the bottle. A little goes a long way, so the bottles will last a while. The colors mix well into the soap base and don't bleed. Number 2. Limino 12 Color Bath Bomb Soap Dye. Discover a spectrum of 12 bright colors that are easy to disperse and blend. Create endless shades and let your imagination run wild with custom color creations. Our dyes are made with food-grade, non-toxic ingredients, ensuring they are irritation-free and stain-free. They are also vegan, cruelty-free, and baby-friendly, keeping your DIY projects vibrant and clear. Unlike other options, these liquid colorants require no special preparation and are simple to use. We even provide a guide with recipes and steps to help you get started. These vivid colorants are perfect for a wide range of crafts, including soaps, bath bombs, slime, and Play-Doh. Experience the joy of adding brilliant color to all your handmade items. Get 12 bottles of high-quality colorants for a great value. Just a few drops are needed to transform your creations, and we offer a satisfaction guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. If you're new to soap making or want a user-friendly coloring experience, this set is a great option. It comes with helpful instructions and 12 bright, blendable colors. For beginners or those who appreciate guidance with their DIY projects, this is a solid choice. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the bottle. This colorant is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. It mixes easily into melt and pour soap bases without streaking. Number 1. 20 Color Liquid Soap Dye for DIY Crafts. Unleash your creativity with 20 stunning natural colors. Blend them to create your own unique shades and exciting layered effects for truly surprising results. Our formula is free from toxins and harsh chemicals, making it baby-friendly and stain-free. It provides both depth and brightness that lasts long in your creations. These dyes are perfect for a wide range of applications. Easily color soaps, bath bombs, DIY slime, Play-Doh, lotions, and more. Unlike other dyes, ours are pre-mixed and ready to go. Simply add them to your projects for instant, vibrant color. This cost-effective package includes 20 bottles, totaling 120 milliliters of coloring. Start making eye-catching DIY soaps and bath bombs today. What we like. If you're seeking vibrant, long-lasting colors that are easy to incorporate into your creations, this set is for you. Its formula provides excellent depth and brightness, and it comes pre-mixed for immediate use. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want consistent, striking results without extra preparation. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the pictures on the website. A little goes a long way, so the bottles will last for many batches. The colors mix well into the soap base without any clumping or separation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.